Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another training video. And the purpose of this video is that I want to show you how to take sell trades using the Forex Signals 3.0 indicator. Okay, it's actually very easy. So the first thing you're going to do is you're just going to load the template onto your chart, and then this is what it's supposed to look like. Okay, now the components of what you're supposed to see on the screen is you're supposed to see this right here on the right of the screen. You're supposed to see some lines: sell, buy, entry, stop loss, take profit, blah blah blah. You're supposed to see this sort of like signal dashboard here at the bottom left. Okay, that shows you the entry point, TP1, TP2, TP3, and the stop loss. Okay, and then finally, at the bottom, you're supposed to see this indicator right here. Okay, so let me just explain what each of these components is supposed to do. Okay, let's start with the right of the screen. Okay, so this is where you're going to see the levels that you're supposed to trade in. Okay, so let's say, for instance, you have a sell signal. This is where graphically on the chart, you're going to see, okay, this is the level where I'm supposed to sell. This is the level where I'm supposed to put my stop loss. This is the level where I'm supposed to put my take profit one, take profit two, take profit three, so on and so forth. Okay. So this is just to show you physically and visually on the chart where to put your entry point and where to put your levels, like your stop losses, your take profit levels. Okay. And then if we look at this little box here on the bottom left, okay, this box right here is just basically telling you, like in number form, okay, just in a consolidated way, it's telling you what you see on the screen, on the chart itself, like the levels on the chart. So you can see that the signal was at 1.985805, okay, and then target one, which is TP1, is at 1.935540, and then the stop loss is 1.96453. So that's what that is for. Okay, this little box tells you the same information that you can see right here on the chart. Okay, and then at the bottom of the screen, this is a very important indicator. Okay, because this is the one that shows us which direction is the market intending to go. Okay, so it detects whether we're in a bullish market or whether we're in a bearish market. But most importantly, it shows you how strong the trades are. So if you can see right now at the bottom, you've got some arrows pointing up all the way up to like 90%. Okay, that just simply means that this market right here, this chart, it's most likely to go down. Okay, and then we use this to sort of get a confirmation for our signals that the system gives us. Okay, so, in other words, let's say, for instance, now let's just jump into it. So we, as a general rule, we want to take trades that are in the 70% region. Okay, so if you are in a downtrend, we want to take a trade that is in the 70% region and above. Okay, if we're in an uptrend, we want to take a trade that is in the 70% region and above. Okay, you'll see these things as we go. So what we do when we look at a chart, when we load our system onto a chart, okay, the first thing we want to look at is when I look at the levels. Okay, we're going to see what the chart is telling us, the indicator is telling us on the chart. So right now it's telling us to sell, okay, at the level where it's at, and then it's telling us where the stop loss is and the take profit one, two, and three. That's good. Okay, but before you open up a position, you need to confirm it with the dashboard at the bottom, this meter at the bottom. Okay, so if we look at the meter at the bottom, it's telling us that, okay, this market is in the 90% region to the downside. Okay, so now that validates this sell signal. So let's just say, for instance, this was a 90% to the downside, and the chart was telling us that we're supposed to buy. That would be an invalid trade. Okay, so this meter down here at the bottom, it shows us the valid trades and the invalid trades. Okay, so it's basically a guide on which levels to take. Okay, but you'll see and understand as we take more and more examples. Okay, so as you guys can see, if we were to enter into this trade, right, I'm just going to go in with a very low lot size because this is just for illustrative purposes only. Okay, we would open up a sell. All right, let's just click that. We'd open up a cell and then we'd put our take profit at TP1, or we can put our take profit at TP2 or TP3. It's all the way up to you depending on how you want to trade, okay? And then your stop loss, you put it at at the stop loss level, just like that. And then just like that, ladies and gentlemen, you have yourself a trade, okay? Hopefully this helped you understand the trading system, guys. The rules are the same even for when you're looking for a buy signal, but we'll see that in the next videos. But anyways, thank you so much for watching the video. If you're interested in this trading indicator right now, you can get it for $100. The link is in the description below. It's currently on sale and you can get it. It works on Metatrader 4 and you need to have a PC. It doesn't work on mobile, guys. You need to have a PC. All right. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you guys on